That's my hotel. It goes in the room there. The next morning up.
Coming up to a planned campsite for tonight, but we keep hearing shotguns, which is not a pleasant noise when you're probably walking across a farmer's field. The roof is ploughing on. I think they're probably going to be really far away, you know, hunting foxes in the next woods over or something. But are they warning shots? And nothing's happened for a bit anyway, so it's lucky I got the camouflage stuff on today. I've just realised Nathan's gone. Here we are, the destination. I'm not sure where he was. I'm not hanging about when there's potentially warning shots being at us, like.
I should probably speed me up to that.
Yeah.
Nathan's been shot.
He could have been shot, for all we know.
Rest in peace, this.
So, the shotgun shells seem to have stopped. This is my spot. We're going to give it half an hour just to make sure nobody turns up. I think we're alright. Roof is going under the tree. Nathan's gone down there somewhere. I think we're going to have a chill in the building tonight. I've got something very special to cook on that campfire. If it doesn't work, I'm going hungry. The Akto's back out. Oh, did you hear that gunshot then? And what do we got over here? It's another Akto. And Nathan's in another nice tent. The Terra Nova Pioneer 2, sponsored by Henley's. Brought a ground sheet with me. Didn't realise it's only that size. It's only a sit mat. Well, I could either put it in the porch or in the centre of the tent or something. It's Drufus's birthday next week. I told him I was going to give him a decent present. I think he thinks I've forgotten, but I've got it here. I don't know whether to let him stew for a bit. Yeah, he's actually given me an Osprey Kestrel bag, and he said on the way up, oh, it's my birthday next week. I know. This is what I got. Haha, what's in here? We shall see. Here is the setup. It is looking pucker today. It's Halloween, obviously you gotta bring a pumpkin. Or about this for a selection. Woohoo, looking forward to the fruity beer. Peanut brittle stout. Big berry bonbon. A ripper. Easy Jane guava. And a coastal hopper. Inside the pumpkin, I'm going to chop this in half. It's going bacon lardons, blue cheese, tomato, onions. Those are just a snack, and a couple of magic stars. We got the fire kit. It is looking pucker with me, if I do say so myself. It's still supposed to be warm, so I'm still on the summer bag. And the rain is coming down. I think we better get the tarp set up next. So we're just going to go just to the right of Drufus in the building there. Let's get this up, is it? I was just about to tie the tarp off to this wall. Look at all these ladybirds. There's loads. Right, got a little dry area. There's a birthday boy by here. I brought you a present.
Oh, thank you very much.
There you go.
That's not till next week, was it?
I mean, it would have made more sense giving to you in the house, but it's not the same, is it?
Shall I open it next week or what?
No opening now.
Don't believe in opening things until
You like a wrapping paper?
donut. Oh, they're that's right, that.
Yeah,
Oh, nice one, man.
no worries.
Lady.
I might have to carry it back for you as well, like the...
Yeah, I know, I didn't know up the car, yes. Oh, wait, that.
Yeah,
Is that the one who blooming dunked in the water?
that's been in the water, yeah.
Oh, I'm going to work.
It does work now.
Thanks so much.
So I've been sent this power pack to test out. It's a power pack with a difference. So it shows all the details on there, 100%. But you could take this out, and then you just get yourself some of these 1865 batteries. Keep them in there, and then you only take what you need. So I think it's like 2,500 milliamps each. So you've got the 5,000 milliamps in there. If you were going for longer, you could just take extra packs. Yeah, just take what you need. It's a good idea, I think. There was a fallen branch off the ash tree. This is perfect stuff. And we're looking pretty stealthy today, I'd say. Who burns a pumpkin while camping? Ultralight. I sneak off one there.
Just a fool to believe.
Bacon lardons.
Something about
Blue cheese is going in. Bit of fry prep going on. Some battening. Mallet Drew was just made. Bit of fatwood in the blue cheese box.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right. Let's get the mallet in.
The weight there actually could be a little
This
bit
is
bigger.
the total contents of the pumpkin. All the goodies gone in there now. I just need some embers from this fire to stick it on. Right. The Costello.
Stella. They still make amber, yeah.
I think so, aren't they?
Go on, Tice, get it down, boy. I'll put it in your mouth. I'll show you how to eat the new supper.
Get the wrapping paper on as well. Put it to use.
Right, you
Oh, he's getting spoon fed now.
come spoilt, man.
No purpose made fireplace. Ideal. He's on the rubber! The Porn Star Martini Ale. Should go back in the dry dog. Go on. Go on, you can do it. Good boy. The rain's coming down now, lads and ladettes. But we are in the dry. Very good stuff. Tastes amazing. I've never tasted anything like it. Liddles.
Where's my fork, man?
Drew doing his curry. He's got chicken, garlic, tomatoes,
And onions.
and onions. It's all going in there.
Slow cook it now. Right, time to get the
Madras is going in.
like.
Right, pumpkin's going on.
Oh, yeah.
And bada boosh! Yeah!
He might be alright.
Right, I've been spinning this pumpkin round, and I think it's nearly done, because look, a bat.
It's turned into a carriage.
I hope it's just not going to turn to mush as I pick it up. We'll see.
Oh, mush.
The curry madras is done. Something good, man.
It's good.
Need some starters. Couple of mushies. Managed to get it off the fire. Took a bit of teamwork, mind. The reveal. Whoa, look at that. Getting there with the spork and enjoy. Look at juice. Yeah, boy. Nice.
My boy.
Nathan, old boy's got his favourite meal. Steaky steak. But where is the tomato ketchup? Yay!
First time in a long time, you remember that, innit?
Oh yeah.
Just what you should do now is put it all on to just cheese everyone up.
I would like that.
That's what I would do.
I drink it. Yeah, gung, 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 gung. That's my hotel. Goes in the room there. The next morning after 6 now there, Matt Revan's playing music. He's like, come on, Nate, get up now there.
You've only been in for an hour or two.
I was like, do me a favour. If you don't turn that music off, I'm putting your head through that front door. I was like, leave me sleep.
I'm not scared, don't be wrong, I'm not scared at all.
Magic stars.
I think I get a
Peanut
fucking-
and brittle stout.
Happy Halloween. Do try not to die.
Scared the living daylights out of me then.
Sorry, yeah.
There you suck. Must have Bojangles. It's the International Can Stamping Championship of the World. World Championships. Oof. Oh, I don't know, mind. It's not bad, it's not bad. Cool. Detonates. Similar.
Oh, similar. I might have a chance
Right.
of winning, right? Oh, it's worse than the
Oh
old
no!
Oh,
The reigning champ. Can he pull out the bag again? Normally he does.
yeah, he's good.
Oh.
Muscle memory, that's
Hello.
good. Muscle memory. Up to 76. That's good.
Ooh.
Good.
He's also gone for the Thatchers. Oh, no.
The worst one I think that's ever been stamped.
The final stomp. What's he going to choose?
Oh, he messed it up.
God.
It's a storm, it
We're
is.
talking about. That's perfect again, man.
Right, between you two, then. You don't even deserve to be in this. Go on, son. It's good.
What was your last one?
Oh, you beat me. Also have.
Yeah, I'll give that to Adam.
And so,
Hey!
First one ever.
I've just got back the tent. I don't know what this is. What the hell? It's going in my tent. Oh my god, what does this say there? Help. I'm scared to open this. Where's it go? It's tied up there, is it? Wait. Oh my god, it's gone with a rucksack, man. What's going on? That's pretty freaky, that is. Right, back safe in the Akto. It's pretty warm. I think it's going to be warm sleeping here tonight. But as you can hear, the rain is beating down. This is going to be constant rain all night, I think. It's supposed to be thunderstorm about 6 o'clock in the morning, so we're pretty low down, so I'm not worried. But should have a bang on there. I thought the boys had gone to bed, but there was a bang just now. I hope it's not that fun with the shotgun again. Sounded like an air bed exploding or something, you know. Dark and dingy morning. It's nearly 8 o'clock. You can see it's still getting really dark. Unfortunately, the old Akto needs seam sealing. Coming in on the zip on this bit, and I can only tell because this side is dry and this side is wet. It doesn't come through, but it must be coming in on this seam at the top. So at the moment I got an expensive leaky tent, but I'll seam seal it, it'll be perfect then. See if I can wake the boys up now. Coming to have a look at the damage. What's the most important rule, kids? Leave no trace! Right, let's get this sorted. Make this fireplace disappear. Make those cans disappear into my rucksack. Good as new. We've ended up with a new river right next to us. Shows how much water we've had. And the river is raging this morning. Go for a dip, you bite. Everything is better than we found it. We found a load of extra rubbish. It's coming in the bag with us. Thank you for watching. Shout out to these legends. If you want to get a shout out, make sure to subscribe. Name that YouTuber, that's where I got it from. Catch you next time. Glad this wasn't shooting at us last night.